Oh, Daddy, how you feel?
It's more beautiful than I could ever imagine. It really is. You're just sitting here and you're looking at everything, and I'm just thinking to myself, I see everything now in a different light, a different view, just from being in this house. The air conditioner, I wish it could be a little bit cooler, but
Cold.
it's not ice cold. It's not like when we go to a hotel and you're freezing, you get sick at night because it's so cold.
But for me, it's cold already. I love it.
Look at your kid. It will be nice to sleep here and wake up in the morning and see our own house.
Yeah.
Huh? Although I have to say, these pillows are pretty much useless.
I told you already.
There's 2 pillows here, and my head's still going always up.
I told you already. That's why I want the other pillow. But I ordered it. It takes like 17 days.
But the other pillow's only for our room. Not for the other room.
No. I don't know. How you feel? This is just only a trial.
Yeah, this is a tryout.
We just.
I have to say one thing. I couldn't be any happier. It's like I don't want to leave. I don't want to go back to I don't want to go to the apartment. Because this place is so beautiful.
Still no lights there. I should have lights.
Yeah, we have one more light. I have it over there in the kids' villa.
And this one, guys, because we don't have a really big curtains, this one is not long enough, so Anthony just put it there. Just
It's just for now. We have to shop around for the right type of curtains for this place. These doors are so tall that
so
I
tall.
don't know if we'll find the right ones. We might have to have them custom made.
And we
might have
put
to buy
blinds here, Daddy, right? We
What's
put
that?
blinds here.
Yeah, the blinds are there.
One there. All the fixed doors, blinds are we put blinds in, and then that's it.
Wow. This is the first time we're in our own house. We're really in here. Wow. Huh?
Yeah. You happy?
Wow. Yeah, I'm so happy.
Oh,
I'm happy because we have air. We have room to breathe. There's no dust. It smells like paint, which is bothering me, but that'll go away in a couple of days.
Correct.
I couldn't be any happier with the view from our property. Once we put up our fence, and you're not claustrophobic. There's so much room in here.
So much. Look at that, right?
I mean, we have a small little couch. My plan is to have that little couch put like right here.
The couch.
Right? And you put a little coffee table. Little coffee table.
I want to put the coffee table here. Should be here.
There'll be a table here with chairs to sit on and have your breakfast. But there's going to be a couch here at the end of the table. A couch and a little coffee, like in Henan, they have that couch. You know that couch in Henan? And a little table you can eat at. You still have a table there, and then you can sit here, sit on your couch, watch TV.
And this one TV there. We're gonna put the TV there, and a small table down for the remote or whatever. And then this is the closet. It's so big. Look at that, Daddy. So big.
This is huge.
It's fine.
I hope people understand that this is going to be all built in. There's going to be a whole built-in closet right here.
Big closet. And here, it's a big mirror. There, it's a big mirror.
Wow. Look at it from over here.
And then for my beauties, whatever, a small table. And then this is the...
Let me put the light on. I gotta pee.
You gotta pee? Okay. So Anthony is so happy about it. This is our old bed in the mountain. So we bring it here just for a few days. that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.